In the previous tutorial, we went over the Rank Diagnostic app in an overview manner. In this tutorial, we'll look in more detail on the GeoRank Report tab. Before doing so though, let's take a look at this button called Favorite ASIN. A favorite ASIN, in our view, are ASINs that you will always be looking at to see their performance. These are the ASINs for which you purchased a GeoRank report and uploaded it. Now, how do you create favorite ASINs? There are two ways to doing so. The first one is manually. This occurs if you only have a handful of ASINs and you can quickly add them into the database. So, you have a brand name you enter, a short description of the product, what kind of product it is, and the ASIN. Keep in mind, this information is for your reference only. Once you put that information in, you add favorite and it gets added to your database. A secondary way to do so is to import into the database a pre-filled out CSV file. To get a sample of the frame format of the CSV file, just click here and you can download it from our website and have your VA fill it out. Once it's filled out, once again, hit this button, search for it in your directory and import it into the database. Easy as that. We already, of course, have a list of favorite ASINs that we're using. So, we will basically select from that list. Now, let's run a GeoRank analysis. So, we're going to select the marketplace, select the keyword of interest. We already inserted the ASIN and now we're just going to press search. And now it basically pulls up the results of our search. And as you can see, let's see and explore the information that you'll be seeing. Here, you see that we found 503 locations of 532 locations searched. What does that mean? That means 29 locations this product was not found. And we keep in mind we've searched results on the All Departments search up to page 7. So, we didn't find it under those criteria. Okay. That doesn't mean it wasn't there on page 10 or 11 or 8 for that matter. It just wasn't there on the first 7. Keep that in mind. What other information do we see here? We see that we have a desktop and a mobile information mode. And this is dependent on what was imported here. So, right now, we only imported information on desktop. If we had, we would have gone to mobile. If we had mobile information and run our search. If I do that and run a search, we get nothing because we have no mobile data. Right. Now, what we're showing here also is we can look up and see if there's any sponsored ads. By default, we hide all sponsored ads. So, all you're seeing in here right now are organic results. What else? We have the date. So, we have a list of date that you can select from to see the ranking. And these are the all dates on which you procured a GeoRank report for. Okay. These are the particular states in the marketplace. So, you can do a filter and just look at a particular state of interest for a date of interest. Okay. So, those are the things that we have here. What else we have? We have the state, we have the city, we have the population, we have which page the information is on. We have page position natural and page position organic. What does that mean? Page position natural basically means this is how it looks on the page. It does include sponsored product ads as well as organic position. Now, the organic positions do not include the sponsored product ads. They're deleted. That is why here you'd have a position of 14 natural and 10 organic because there were 4 ads on that page that preceded the 10 organic positions. Okay. You also have charts that shows the rank for that particular zip code over time. You also have here cache pages. Keep in mind cache pages are saved for only 7 days because they take up a lot of space. And this is a detailed view of the GeoRank report. And you can go from page to page. And by the way, each page has approximately, have exactly 100 zip codes. Okay. And it's usually your top zip codes. The first 100 top zip codes are on page 1 because it's all organized by your organic position. You can change sorting if you so choose. Right. And that is a GeoRank report tab. On the next tutorial, we'll discuss the ASIN GeoRank trend report. See you then.